Hello dear children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing at your places. Now today in my session we are going to learn about seasons. So let us start. We have 5 seasons in a year. The first season is the spring season, when we can see a lot of flowers blooming around ourselves. The second season after the spring season comes the summer season, when there is very hot and we are always sweating. Then comes the rainy season, when we feel very sticky, and this comes with the clouds and rain. The next season after the rainy season comes the autumn season, when the trees shed their leaves. The last season after the autumn season comes the winter season, when we love to play with the snow, when we celebrate Christmas. So these are our 5 seasons. The first one is the spring season, the second one is the summer season, the third one is the rainy season, the fourth one is the autumn season, and the fifth, that is the last season, is the winter season. So let us learn them in detail. So dear children, now it's time to read about the first season of the year. So let us start. The first season is the spring season. Here is a picture showing the spring season. Let's see what we can see in the picture. In the picture, we can see a lot of greenery all around us. The trees are green. The bushes are green. We can see flowers all around. The flowers are blooming. Here, there is a child who is taking the fragrance of the flowers, and the air is blowing. So, this is a very pleasant weather, isn't it? So now, let us read the poem here. It is pleasant, it's a pretty airy day. Flowers are blooming, it's a pleasant spring day. So this is the spring season. Now, what should we remember in the spring season? First point, it brings new life to the surroundings. Yes, we can see that there is greenery all around us. It's very beautiful. So, the spring season comes with a lot of life around us. The second point says flowers bloom. So, we can see here a lot of flowers. The flowers start blooming in this season, in the spring season. The last one is the weather. Weather becomes very pleasant. We love to go for a walk in this season. Now comes the second season. Here is the summer season. So we can see the picture here. What happens in the summer season? Yes, there is lot of hotness all around. The sun is giving a scorching light and heat. And here we can see a child who is having ice cream. Yes, dear children, of course, ice cream is our favorite. And what do we have in summers? We love to have ice cream. So now let us read the poem. It is sunny, it is hot, it's a bright scorching day. It is summer, a hot summer day. So there are 4 lines about the summer season. Now, what should we remember about the summer season? Number 1, that the days are very bright and hot, and due to which what do? We sweat a lot during summers. So here is the next point, that we sweat a lot. Also, the days are very long in summers and the nights are very short. Whereas what happens in winters? The nights are very long while the days are very short. Similarly, the next point says, what do we wear in summers? What do we wear? We wear cotton clothes in summer. Along with this, one point should be kept in mind. We should always wear light colored clothes in summers. They do not absorb heat. So, we feel cool in them. Okay? The last point says that we love to eat cold eatables. Like, here is the ice cream. Similarly, along with ice cream, we love to have cold eatables like shakes and lassi, and these are very healthy. So here ends the summer season. Here is the rainy season. There are 2 pictures for rainy season here. So let's see the first picture. Here we can see a child holding the colorful umbrella. Along with this, what we can see in the sky? We can see the big heavy clouds, and it's all raining. read about rainy season. It is cloudy, it is rainy, it has rained all day. It is rainy, it is rainy, it's a wet rainy day. So, what do we call rainy season? It is also called as monsoons. So, here are the monsoons. The next point says that rainy season brings a lot of rain along with it, and the weather is very pleasant again. Now, we make use of umbrella, raincoats and boots during the rainy season to keep us dry. Last point says we can see a rainbow in the sky. Have you ever seen a rainbow? It's here. It looked like this. So this is a rainbow. What is a rainbow? It is a curved arc of 7 colors. So what is a rainbow? It is a curved arc of 7 colors. Which 7 colors are we talking about? It's called as Vibgyor. What do we call as Vibgyor? V means violet. Second, I means indigo. Third, B means blue. Green. Y means yellow. Then O means orange. And last is the R. R means red. So here is the pretty rainbow in the sky, which we can see when it is raining as well as there is sun in the sky. So now let's proceed to the next season. Here is the autumn season. We can see the picture here. What can we see in the picture? There is a girl who is feeling very cold while moving, and there is a lot of air all around. And the trees, there are no leaves on the trees during this season. That is, the trees shed their leaves off. There are no leaves on the trees. So here is the poem. Let's read it out. It is windy, it is dry, it's a brown colored day. Leaves are falling, it's a dry, windy day. So, this is the autumn season. What do we need to remember in the autumn season? Number 1, that the weather turns cool, because after this season comes the winter season. Okay, and the second point is the trees shed their leaves, because now the trees need to prepare for the winter season. Here ends the autumn season. Now here comes the last season of the year, that is the winter season. Here in the picture, what can we see? We can see snow all around us, and here is the pretty good snowman. Here are the Christmas trees. Don't we celebrate Christmas during December? It's winter season then. And what else can we see? We can see a bonfire here to keep ourselves hot during the winters. So let us read the poem here. It is breezy, it is freezy, it's a freezing cold day. It is winter, a cold winter day. So this is very interesting. Now, what points should we remember? Number 1, the weather is very freezing cold during this season. There is fog all around us. Next, days are shorter and nights are very long. We read this in summers also. In summers, what happened? The days are longer and the nights are shorter. While in winters, the days are shorter while the nights are very longer. What do we wear in winters? Do we wear a half-sleeve t-shirt? No, we wear a cap, woolen clothes to keep ourselves covered. So we wear woolen clothes. At last, what do we eat? Do we eat cold ice cream and juices? No, we have hot healthy eatables like the soups. They are very healthy. And what do we eat? Gajar ka halwa and gulab jamun. Aren't they very tempting and yummy? So these all things are to be remembered in the winter season. Here ends my session. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video.